In the world of insects, there are some species that can grow to be quite large. The largest insects in the world belong to a variety of different groups, including beetles, stick insects, and butterflies. These insects can be found in many different parts of the world and can range in size from a few inches to over a foot long. One of the largest insects in the world is the Goliath beetle, which is found in Africa. These beetles can grow up to 4.3 inches long and weigh as much as 3.5 ounces. Another large insect is the Titan beetle, which is found in South America. These beetles can grow up to 6.5 inches long and have sharp mandibles that they use to defend themselves. The stick insect can also grow to be quite large, with some species reaching lengths of over a foot long. These insects are known for their ability to blend in with their surroundings, making them difficult to spot in the wild. Finally, some species of butterflies, such as the Queen Alexandra's birdwing butterfly, can have wingspans of up to 1 foot, making them some of the largest butterflies in the world. Number 1. The Hercules beetle. The Hercules beetle Dynastes hercules is a species of rhinoceros beetle native to the rainforests of Central and South America. It is one of the largest beetles in the world, with males capable of reaching lengths of up to 17 centimeters 6.7 inches and weighing up to 100 grams 3.5 ounces. The Hercules beetle has a distinctive appearance, with a large, curved horn on its head and a thick exoskeleton that provides protection from predators. The male's horn is used during combat with other males over mating rights and territory. Hercules beetles are primarily nocturnal and feed on the sap of trees as well as fruits such as bananas and figs. The larvae, known as grubs, live in decaying wood and feed on the wood as they grow. Due to their large size and impressive appearance, Hercules beetles are popular among insect collectors and are sometimes kept as pets. However, they are also threatened by habitat loss and are considered vulnerable in some parts of their range. Number 2. Atlas moth. The Atlas moth Attacus atlas is a large, striking species of moth that is found in the tropical and subtropical forests of Southeast Asia, including India, Indonesia, and Malaysia. It is one of the largest moths in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 30 centimeters 12 inches. The wings of the Atlas moth are a reddish-brown color with white spots and markings, and the edges of the wings are fringed with long, flowing tails. The moth gets its name from the distinctive patterns on its wings, which resemble a map or atlas. As an adult, the Atlas moth does not have functional mouthparts and does not feed during its short lifespan of only a few days. Instead, it relies on the energy stores it built up as a caterpillar. The caterpillars of the Atlas moth are also large, reaching lengths of up to 12 centimeters 4.7 inches. They feed on the leaves of a variety of trees, including citrus trees and the cassia tree. The Atlas moth is not considered an endangered species, but it is threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation. The moth has also been used for its silk, which is coarser and less valuable than silk produced by other moth species. Despite this, the silk is still used to produce textiles and is known as Fagara silk in some regions. The Atlas moth is also popular among collectors due to its impressive size and striking appearance. Number 3. Giant weta. The giant weta is a group of insect species that are endemic to New Zealand. They are among the largest and heaviest insects in the world, with some species capable of reaching lengths of up to 10 centimeters 4 inches and weighing up to 70 grams 2.5 ounces. The giant weta belongs to the family Anastastomatidae, which includes over 100 species. Giant weta has a heavy, robust body and large, powerful legs that allow it to climb trees and move quickly over rough terrain. They are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a variety of plant material such as leaves, bark, and fruit. Some species are also known to feed on other insects. The giant weta has a slow reproductive rate, with females producing only a few offspring per year. They are also long-lived, with some individuals living up to 5 years. Due to habitat loss and predation by introduced mammalian predators such as rats and stoats, many species of giant weta are considered endangered or at risk of extinction. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their remaining habitats and populations. The giant weta is also considered a national icon in New Zealand and is a popular subject of study and fascination among entomologists and insect enthusiasts. Number 4. Goliath beetle. The Goliath beetle Goliathus spp. is a group of large and impressive beetles that are native to Africa. They are among the largest beetles in the world, with males capable of reaching lengths of up to 11 centimeters 4.3 inches. The Goliath beetle belongs to the family Scarabaeidae, which includes over 30,000 species of beetles. The Goliath beetle has a shiny black exoskeleton with white or cream markings on its thorax and wing covers. The males have large, curved horns on their heads, which they use to fight other males during mating season. The females, on the other hand, lack horns. The larvae of the Goliath beetle are also large and impressive, reaching lengths of up to 11 centimeters (4.3 inches). They feed on decaying wood and plant material and can take up to 2 years to reach maturity. Despite their large size, Goliath beetles are primarily herbivores, feeding on fruit, tree sap, and other plant material. They are also important decomposers, helping to break down dead plant matter in their environment. Goliath beetles are popular among insect collectors and are sometimes kept as pets. However, they are also threatened by habitat loss and are considered vulnerable in some parts of their range. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their remaining habitats and populations. Number 5. Stick insects. Stick insects, also known as walking sticks, are a group of insects that are known for their remarkable camouflage and resemblance to twigs or sticks. There are over 3,000 species of stick insects found in many parts of the world, including tropical rainforests, deserts, and temperate forests. Stick insects are herbivores, feeding mainly on leaves and other plant material. They have long, slender bodies and legs that are adapted for walking and climbing. They also have the ability to regenerate lost limbs, which is a rare ability for insects. One of the most striking features of stick insects is their remarkable camouflage. Many species have evolved to look like twigs or branches, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings and avoid detection by predators. Some species even sway back and forth in the wind to further enhance their disguise. Stick insects are also known for their unusual reproductive habits. In some species, the females reproduce asexually, laying eggs that develop without fertilization. This process is known as parthenogenesis and allows the females to rapidly produce offspring without the need for a male. Stick insects are popular among insect enthusiasts and are sometimes kept as pets due to their unique appearance and low maintenance requirements. However, some species are threatened by habitat loss and are considered endangered or vulnerable.